Please tell me your name.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Babita Murmu. I belong to Mayurbhanj district. I have completed my engineering in computer science from Government College of Engineering, Kalahandi. My father is a retired Steel Authority of India Limited employee, and my mother is a housemaker. My hobbies include traveling and trying different kind of cuisines.
ଦି ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ ତୋତେ କହିବି ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଛି ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ଦେଇଛି ସେଟା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିଦେବେ ସେଟା ଭଏସ ନୋଟଟା ଓକେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା କ'ଣ ନା ନାମ ସିଧା ସେମାନେ ମନା କରିବେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଦିନ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଯିବେ they will give you a briefing ठीक है जी do not say these things in the interview okay ସେଟା ନା ଥିବ maybe they can also say domicile means ଆପଣଙ୍କର home district ସେଟା କିଛି କହିବା ଦରକାର okay बाकी अपन सो इन दैट केस जो डोमिसाइल मना करछदी यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ ओके माने एई थरे जो इंफॉर्मेशन नाही सेगुडा अपन देबेनी बोली से कहबे राइट
अच्छा
ओके
अच्छा
सो यू हैव टू माने सेटा फॉलो करियो सो पांचटी जिंस कहबार अछि अपन को जदि डोमिसाइल मना करे तो सेटा छाड़ देबे अदरवाइज स्टार्ट विथ आई एम रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट दिस विलेज दिस तहसील दिस सिटी रे रहउछथि तो दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड दिस सिटी तापर सेकंड हैला हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन ओनली आई हैव डन माय पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इन दिस फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज ओके बिकॉज़ बाकी सबरो तांको पाखरे एठी रहउछि ओके सो सेटा गोटे कहले थर्ड हैला आपण कहबे कि current status कौन currently are preparing for competitive exam GA join माने job करतुनी से ना कहबे I'm working in this capacity in this organization और तापर आसिला अपन hobbies my hobbies are and my achievements are ठीक अछि एटा अपन कहबार अछि
आगे
आउटर फोन तर just repeat it you
good afternoon sir I have completed my engineering from Government College of Engineering Kalahandi I belong to Chaivasa village in Mayurbhanj district and currently I am preparing for civil services for last 2 years.
Okay hobbies okay your hobbies
okay
my hobbies include
my hobbies include traveling and trying different type of cuisines
okay and तापर हैला आपनकर आउट बिजनेस करबार अछि that is achievements okay so achievements से कोन हबो academic achievements professional तो अपन हबो because अपन working हो academic achievements and social achievements अपन ब्लड डोनेशन करछन केबे
सर मु सोशल हमर गोटे क्लब थिला सोशल सर्विस क्लब बोली मु सेइथरे वॉलंटियर करथिली आ लास्ट थर्ड ईयर एंड फोर्थ ईयर हमें सोशल सर्विस वर्क रे एंगेज थिलु एंड आई वाज आल्सो द प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ आवर प्लेसमेंट सेल एंड
प्लेसमेंट
कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ प्लेसमेंट सेल एंड
सो एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट गुड सेटा एकेडमिक तो होबनी सेटा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर को-करिकुलर
एक्टिविटी
तापरे आपनकर एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट्स भितरे जो थर्ड प्राइज इन टेक्निकल फेस्ट ऑफ आईआईटी खड़गपुर एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट एसोसिएटेड विद सोशल सर्विस क्लब ओके प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर ठीक है राइट तो सेगुडा सही हिसाब रे अपन कहते
आगे
ओके राइट टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर होम डिस्ट्रिक्ट
सर मयूरभंज it derives its name from two ruling kingdom the Mayuras and the Bhanjas they have lasted for about 200 years so the state derived its name from the two kingdoms Mayurs and the Bhanjas it's basically a rural area I can say because there is not much of development in our district but it is also very but it is full of biodiversity nature and mineral resources it has a potential to grow further if proper measures and proper protocols should be implemented in that district. And one thing Mayurbhanj has, it has zero child labor policy. So in compared to other districts, Mayurbhanj do not have any child labor working in the state. And Mayurbhanj also has different tourist location like Devkund, Bhimkund, Kichikeshwari temple, and the Sri Hari Baldev Jagannath temple, and Mayurbhanj is also hub of tribal people. And
Okay. So you just said that it is the hub of tribal people. What are the major tribes that are found there?
the major tribes would be Santals, the Mundas, and Dongriya. They are found in majority in Mayurbhanj, because Mayurbhanj is located prior to bordering to Jharkhand state. So the two state have majority of population of Santal people, and it has about 53% of total Santal community in Mayurbhanj district only.
Okay. And so tell me about the major tribal festivals, major tribal dances, their customs, food, cuisine, etc. in your district of the major tribes.
The major tribes observe festivals like Baha, Tusu Parba, and Makar Sankranti, and the tribal fest of Bhimkund Jatra. These are the major festivals they celebrate. And food is Moodhi is like their soul food. So and the forest product, they mainly prefer forest product, and because of low income, they prefer forest food like kusum, like the local mushrooms, and they.
Okay. What are the major problems associated with your district? Three at least you can tell me.
The major.
According to you, what solutions would you propose for?
The major problem that I observed, that there is lack of awareness, and implementation of the programs is not going very well, because the people are not aware of many of the schemes that the Odisha government and the state government applied, and negligence of the panchayats also I can say. Because in our block also, the block office is not working very well. In many of the times it is shuttered by giving some lame excuses like it is not, the computer is not working. So people don't take it seriously, because they are lacking the awareness, they are lacking of their rights. So main according to my opinion, I should mention the education and awareness among the people would have been improved by working on the topic.
So, any two or three great personalities from Mayurbhanj, and what has been their contribution?
Sir, from Mayurbhanj, recently the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is also from Mayurbhanj, Mr. Girish Chandra Murmu, and the former governor of Jharkhand state, Draupadi Murmu, was also from Mayurbhanj district. The Odia actor Vijay Mahanti is also from Mayurbhanj district, and the script writer of Santal community, Pandit Raghunath Murmu, is also from Mayurbhanj district.
Okay. It is about contemporary. What about like literary figures, writers, etc., or tribal leaders during
during tribal rebellion, when Odisha and Jharkhand was completed as Utkal. Then in the Chotnagpur plateau there were two major rebellion named as who committed the Santal rebellion in 1855 named as Sidhu Murmu and Kanhu Murmu.
आपनकर ठीक अछि फ्लो ऑफ स्पीच ठीक अछि सब ठीक अछि आपन आई कांटेक्ट पूरा व्यवहार करू आपन जे पचारिबे क्वेश्चन तांको देखिबार अछि मेनली 90% और बाकी जो माने बसते तांको टिके देखिबार अछि ओके आई कांटेक्ट वेरी इंपोर्टेंट राइट सो ओके देन एगुडा जा कहली एगुडा सब फुल फॉर्म लिखि
आगे
ठीक अछि राइट सो इन लास्ट 5 इयर्स यू आर इन
Kalahandi and Mayurbhanj hometown.
Yes. And then Kalahandi.
Yes.
Can you tell me why the name is Kalahandi?
Sir, I don't have.
You have to prepare them both. Can I ethi apna likhu chanti na seta?
Again.
The seta bi se pachari paribe. तो Kalahandi district profile ta bhi ठीक देखि दे. Okay. So when you are in Bhawanipatna, what all major areas, tourist areas did you visit in Kalahandi? 3 or 4 you can tell me.
The major tourist location of Kalahandi were Kalrapat National Park and waterfall of Fulizharan and there were many waterfalls like Fulizharan and other I don't remember the name.
Okay, that is fine. That is natural, beauty.
It is full of natural beauties, but lacking.
Any temples, important temples that you visited?
Manikeshwari Mandir.
Okay. And in your home district, Mayurbhanj, some important religious places?
Kichikeshwari temple. And the Jagannath temple of Baripada, the car festival is very much famous in there. And
how many subdivisions are there in the district?
4 subdivisions are there. First is for the capital is Baripada. It is in eastern area prominent, and in and northern India prominent is Baripada. Eastern area is Pir Panch, which is controlled by Karanjia, and other is Baman Ghati, which is controlled by Rairangpur town, and other one is Uddala subdivision. I don't know the year.
Okay, fine. So, what is the reason your 10th and 12th percentage there is a huge difference? Any specific reason for that?
Sir, my 12th is from Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Nilakanthanakal, Berhampur. So there is lack of. I was in hostel, so I can't really concentrate on, and the burden is like really heavy because you go from a Odia medium to both bilingual Odia and English. It's like quite difficult for me to understand and write it in my paper. So that's the reason I have low score in +2.
Okay. So you studied your 10th from Fakir Mohan Vidyapith.
Vidyapith.
Tell me something about Fakir Mohan and what was his contribution to Odia art and literature.
Chhamana Attagunta was written by Fakir Mohan Senapati, and he is also known as, I don't remember the title, Kabi.
Is known as Vyasa Kabi?
No.
देखिए बेटा
हाँ इधर टिकट चेक कर दे हाँ ना अच्छी हाँ
okay and Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, so can you tell me the insignia, that is the logo of Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, and what is written under that in Sanskrit? What does it mean?
Sir, I don't know.
এটা भी देखिए.
Okay.
Each educational institution का এটা आपको देखिए आपको पड़ेगा. Okay. So in Bhawanipatna you stayed for 4 years.
Yes.
Did you?
College from
Were
there.
you not interested in higher studies, MTech and all?
Sir, after working in a social group, I was mentally prepared for going for a professional job. Then there were many factors before me. First was the stability of the job and nearness from my family and the social upliftment that I really wanted to do because our college is located in a very rural area. From town Bhawanipatna, it is about 8 to 10 kilometer distance. But in front of our college, there is a basti of rural peoples. They do not the students who are studying in class 8 or 7, they do not even know how to write A, B or 1, 2. They barely know the alphabets and numerical, but they are studying in class 8. So that impacted me a lot. So I decided in my last year itself that I will prepare for civil services. Then I came to this line.
Okay. What are the options you have taken for this exam?
I have optionals geography and home science.
Geography and home science.
Yes.
But you have done your graduation in computer science.
So there is no optional like computer science. So that's why I have analyzed the previous year question papers and my own domain of interest. Then I opted for geography, and home science is like I prefer trying different food, and that linked me to home science, that I can do I can know about some stuffs.
Do you cook?
Yes.
Huh?
I cook.
But that is not your hobby.
I cook, but it's like I can't cook different cuisines. Like the Indian stuff I can do, Chinese, little bit of Chinese, but other Mediterranean cuisines like Thai cuisines, like Korean foods, that I like to try in different restaurants.
Okay. So I will ask you 3 bits of the same question.
Okay.
So how will your knowledge of computer science help you as an administrator? Same question 2 and 3. How your knowledge in home science and geography? Okay, home science second, third is geography. How these 3 will help you in your career in administration? Give me some good reasons.
Okay, sir. Starting with my knowledge in computer science, as we know, the Odisha government has has done the 5T initiative for good governance, and it includes one pillar called as technology. So my technical knowledge will definitely help in working in the technical domain, and I can understand the things better than other graduate people. So that's why my computer knowledge will help me in administration for doing a good work. And in home science, it is related to our day-to-day activities. So somehow it will help me in enhancing my performance. For a good work-life balance, you need to have a good diet and a good pattern of life. That I derived from my home science optional. And geography, as it's like a mixture of every portion, like history, like geography, because geography contains population geography, economic geography, human geography, that gives me vast knowledge about the people of Odisha and the people of all over the state. And I can betterly recognize what are the tribal groups, tribal schedules, different environmental issues. So geography will help me in this perspective.
Okay. What is your first choice of service?
Sir, Odisha Administrative Service.
And last one?
Odisha Cooperative Societies.
Why OS first?
Sir, because I have determined for Odisha Administrative Service, I am not that physical enthusiast, so I thought that I cannot do well in Odisha Police Service. So I am better in administrative things, decision making. I make my decisions very clearly and compositely. So I
Why
think
police people don't make that?
police people make that, but it gives us very diversity in working. So
Give some examples of that. How diverse your work profile is.
A district, a BDO and a Tahsildar are related to every people, like the police, like the law and order, like the revenues. So every information of it coming towards the administrative service only. So I thought that I can manage. Previously I was also the placement coordinator, so I know how to manage all the things and come out the result very beautifully. So I
What
opted
is the
for.
difference between the roles and the job responsibilities of deputy collector and tahsildar?
Deputy collector and Tahsildar.
Are they in the same rank?
No, deputy collector is yes. The block development officer, Tahsildar and deputy collector are in the same rank, but I don't know the work profile.
Okay, fine. So, geography and home science are
Yes,
your
sir.
options, right?
Yes, sir.
So, just a few questions about that. Okay, we have not completed your hobbies. Let me go to that first. Traveling जो लेकिन चाहिए be specific. Traveling to religious places, natural places, whatever. Say as well.
Okay.
And traveling is very broad, right? Okay, so traveling. What all places you like to visit?
I would like to visit a foreign country called as Norway. That is my first. If I got selected, then I would definitely like to save and go to Norway.
Okay. Norway? Why Norway?
Because in every
It is
aspect,
called something, the land of the something sun,
I don't remember the name,
land
but
of the midnight sun, or what it is called? Something.
rising sun is Japan.
Okay.
I don't know about Norway, but my personal reason is to go to Norway is like it's always rank 1 in everything, human development index or democracy index. So I really want.
What is the main reason why these European countries generally
The European countries they believe in very much in equality, because in our history the woman prime minister is only one Indira Gandhi, and they have
in our state?
in our country.
In our state, how many women chief ministers have been there?
Sir, I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay, fine. Then
So I believe they take human rights very seriously. They protest for their rights, and they give equal status to women. And because of population, also the administration is also very not that much hectic or that much complicated. So I think that's the way Norway is always on rank 1.
another reason is that the main reason most of the European countries, their resources are vast and population pressure is very low.
Very low.
Okay,
Yes,
like
yes,
countries
sir.
like Finland and all are now calling for people from other countries to come and take their citizenship
Yes.
because the population is
Declining.
very less, yeah. So that is of course one reason. Okay. So in India, in Odisha,
In Odisha, I would really like to visit Puri.
Puri, why?
Yes.
Hmm. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କଲ୍ କରୁଛି 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ନା କ'ଣ ମୋତେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛ? ହଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ठीक है, ठीक है, sure. Okay.
Sir, Puri or Ganjam, the both district I like the both. Both
Puri
of
and
them.
Ganjam.
Ganjam, yes.
Okay. So in Ganjam there is a place called Jawgada. Have you heard? Jawgada. Why is that famous?
For ancient inscriptions,
Yes. Of
Jainism or Buddhism, I can't recall, but
one of the major inscriptions. Okay, this is rock edicts of Ashoka. In Dhauli one is there in Odisha.
13th
and
rock edict.
Jawgada another is there. Hmm. 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 Okay. Right. So suppose you are, selected in this exam and you are appointed, in as an OAS officer. So there is a law and order situation in a place. Your superior officer has asked you to go and, take charge of that situation or to try to pacify the situation. The problem is that the police force, that will reach after 1 hour.
yes, sir.
That will reach after 1
1
hour.
hour.
And you are nearby, like in 10 minutes you can reach there.
Okay, sir.
Your subordinates are in the spot. They are saying that the people are slowly becoming restless. They immediately want they want to at least meet you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are a lot of people, and in that case, what are you going to do? Will you go there, or will you wait for the force, and why?
No, sir, I will go there.
Without the force?
Yes, sir.
And suppose they attack you. In that case, how will you save yourself?
I think a good communication can heal everything. So I would firstly like to talk with their leader. What's their problem? Why they are angry?
Do you
And
think that mob basically will understand any logic?
sir, the cause matters. What the cause is?
It's fine.
That
Leader or
matters.
one person or someone, you can have a reason. Okay, so let's say there is some logical and good people are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
when they're individually or in a small group, 2 or 3, you can reason with them.
Yes, sir.
But 100 or 1,000 of reasoned people, when they come together, so they become unreasonable. Right, that is called mob psychology. Okay,
Yes, sir.
under normal circumstances, person will not do that thing.
Yes,
But
sir.
in a mob, basically, he will do things which he has, not thought about. Okay, so still then, from this particular answer of yours, if I extrapolate it, what is more important in administration? Going by the books, taking care of personal safety and delivering public service, or like you said, I'll just directly go without any security. So what is more important according to you?
According to me, I would analyze the situation first through my subordinates. Then I will try to contact with my senior officials and take their guidance. What will I do? And if the situation got worse, then I would ask the police to come as soon as they can.
Okay. Okay, fine. Overall, ଆପଣଙ୍କର it is fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But କେତେଟା ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ flow of speech ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, flow of speech is very good.
Thank you, sir. सर एटा कंपलसरी कि माने आपन को माने 10 टा रो 7-8 क्वेश्चन कहबार ही अछि माने
किछि असुविधा नहीं सेमति जोने बहुत भलो मार्क्स भी रखि छथि से माने किछि क्वेश्चन जानते 100% ही कहि परिबे बट ये ओपिनियन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस रा कहबार अछि
आज्ञा
ओके
सर टिके मते गाइड करबे माने होम साइंस रो को एरिया डक मु टिके भल
ना सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट एमिति गोटे नुहो कि आपन को पार्ट्स ऑफ लूम पचरिबे से ठीक अछि तो सी होम साइंस और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रो रिलेशन ओके फूड न्यूट्रिशन हेल्थ सही पार्ट ता बेसी पचरिबे
सर सितंबर मंथ ता भी तो पोषण मंथ ता सो
हां कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट जोटा एक्सटेंशन एंड कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट ता ऊपर पचरि परिबे कि स्कीम्स कोंतो ठीक अछि तो
आज्ञा
तो मु सेटा ये करी गोटे करी कि आपण को लाइक 22 रे तो बाय 20th विल कंप्लीट द ग्रुप रे जो ऑडियो जोड़ा जाउची सेटा देखिए ओके किंतु आपण मेजर प्रॉब्लम है आई कांटेक्ट आपण बहुत ही कम अछि तो सेटा काली रो इंटरव्यू रे टिके माइंड के रख
आज्ञा
90% टाइम जे क्वेश्चन पचारला त कहबे आउ 10% टाइम बाकी सब लोग को देखिए ठीक अछि ओके सो आउ केटा जिंसो भी अगर तको पगाय करबो
तो इंस्टीट्यूशन गुडा को सर देखि देबी
इंस्टीट्यूशन
तार रिलेटेड हम टिके देखि देबी
एक गुडा सब
हां
ओके
ट्रैवलिंग टाइप टिके स्पेसिफिक कर देबी कोन
and another hobby you have written trying different cuisine
yes sir
what does it mean trying means you cook or you eat
I prefer eating rather than cooking I'm a good cook also but I would like to eat
okay which cuisine you like most
I like Chinese
you like Chinese cuisine
yes
okay Chinese cuisine okay so let's say if I tell you to compare Chinese cuisine okay and Odia cuisine so how will you differentiate what are the commonalities and what will be the differences
commonness is that both the cuisines are very spicy in nature like in our community the food is like not that much spicy but in Odia cuisine it's a little bit of people prefer the spiciness in Chinese cuisine also they prefer the spicy food and the difference is they are majorly based on sauce they prefer different kind of sauces and ketchups and Odia people they prefers curry they like curry and Chinese people prefers the noodle kind of things and Odia people like rice so the staple food and they have communities that both of the communities both of the cuisines use vegetables so in Chinese also there is Chinese platter or something we have very much amount of vegetables in Odia also there is recipe there is a dish called santula so it is also only made up of vegetables so these are the communities and differences
okay fine so you got in technical fest third prize in which competition
sir it is called as land I don't remember the name it is related to a robotics competition
it's basically
robotics
so you
competition
were into robotics during
yes I was in my robotics club for last for final year only I joined very late so I was the coordinator of the group and I helped in making the some parts of the robot that we have taken it to the fest. So my contribution was little bit in there.
Robotics, how can it help you in your administration? Suppose you join as a Tahsildar or a BDO. How can you use robots to help you? Automation. Automation, of course, can be used in other ways, but robotics specifically.
Sir, I would like to, if I have the capacity to use robot, and then for eliminating manual scavenging, I would like to use the robot that the Indian IIT Bombay student that they are developing the robot that can do the scavenging works.
Okay.
So I would like to use that in that field, and in COVID time also, when the transmission is high between the people to people, so robots can be helpful in that situation also. If I have got the opportunity to use robot, then I would like
Especially for collecting the
samples.
Instead of people, we will
People use the robots.
Okay. Fine. So, what were you doing in the social service club? Like that was in your college?
It is like an informal community that the students had organized. Our senior and our batch, we have combinedly formed that group. We go to the rural areas and the small villages to particularly teach, to educate the children. That was our main work.
Okay.
We also helped them to establish a new hand pump, because the previous hand pump was not efficient enough to give the good drinking water. So by funding, we provided them a new hand pump and a permanent resident for teaching the student.
Fine. So, so you are also the placement coordinator from the student side
Yes,
at
sir.
the college.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What were all the companies that visited during your year of graduation?
In my time, the Tata Consultancy Service and IBM visited our college.
You were not interested in all those things?
Sir, I was interested, but the factor was that I was more interested toward the civil service. So I kind of wanted to know what the studies apart from technical studies I can do, or how can I perform. So that's why I do not participate in the placement thing.
Okay. तो ओवरऑल जदि मु कहबी आपनकर सब ठीक अछि ओके एटा खाली आई कांटेक्ट टिके आपन देखिया पड़ी आई कांटेक्ट इज नॉट माने सेटा टिके ये नहीं ओके 380 ठीक अछि ଆଉ ଥରେ ଆଇ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିବେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ ଆସୁଛି ଓକେ ସେଟା ସବକନସିୟସ୍ ରେ ଆସୁଛି ବଟ୍ ସେଟା ବି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ହୋଉଥିଲା ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ପୁରା ଆପଣଙ୍କର नीज ऊपर रखिବେ ଗୋଡ଼ ଉପରେ ରଖିବେ ଓକେ सो दैट इज द पोजीशन आउ स्ट्रेट लेग बसले क्रॉस लेग बसले फ्लो ऑफ स्पीच आपनको भलो अछि किंतु से जो खाली गोटे जिंस होला आई कांटेक्ट मस्ट बी 100 तेनु 100% ओके आप मिरर इंटरव्यूज टिके आज जो प्रैक्टिस करन तो एटलीस्ट 2 आवर्स में ओके चालीस मिनिट रो तीनटा सेशन गोटे करंट अफेयर्स ऊपर हे गला गोटे बायोडाटा ऊपर हे गला ओके गोटे ऑप्शनल ऊपर हे गला तो एटा ही आपण मिरर इंटरव्यूज फॉर 2 आवर्स दैट इज 40 मिनिट्स into 3 okay so